Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mushroom spores, often called seeds, using an easy method. First, you'll need a fresh, mature mushroom. Look for one with an open cap and visible gills. The goal is to collect the microscopic spores that the mushroom releases. This simple technique allows you to gather thousands of spores for cultivation. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home with minimal supplies. To prepare for your spore print, choose a mushroom that looks fresh and has a fully developed cap. Carefully cut the stem off as close to the cap as possible, ensuring the gills remain undisturbed. Next, place the mushroom cap, gill side down, onto a piece of aluminum foil, a glass slide, or white paper. This surface will catch the falling spores. Cover it with a bowl to maintain humidity and prevent air currents from disturbing the process. Now it's time to make the spore print. Cover the mushroom cap and the collection surface with a bowl or glass. This creates a humid environment, encouraging the mushroom to release its spores. Leave it undisturbed for at least 4 to 6 hours or even overnight for best results. When you lift the cap, you should see a distinct pattern of spores, often resembling the mushroom's gills. This print contains thousands of viable spores. Once you have your spore print, handle it with care. If using foil, gently fold it to enclose the print. If on a slide or paper, cover it with another piece of material. Store your spore prints in an airtight container in a cool, dark, and dry location. They can remain viable for several months or even years under proper conditions. These collected spores are now ready to be used to start new mushroom cultures.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.